So the definition of management, according to this particular material, which says management is a conscious practice of shaping the organization to achieve its set goal and objectives. A conscious practice of shaping the organization to achieve its set goal and objectives. It means you are doing it intentionally. You are shaping the way the operation of the organization is going, the way everyone is behaving. The management is one to shape the activity of every member of that organization. And why is management doing that? So that everyone's working together can yield the desired result of that organization, which we call the goal and objectives of that particular organization. In other words, it is a process of working with people and resources to accomplish organizational goals in effective and efficient manner. You will see that in exam. That is the process of working with people. Once you see working with people, the definition you have been asked there is management. Just choose management or right management if it's filling the gap. So it is the process of working with people and resources to accomplish organizational goals in effective and efficient manner. Now, the 4 traditional management principles include, now, everything that management is doing in an organization can be categorized under 4 major principles: planning, organizing, leading, and controlling. We mentioned that yesterday, if you remember. But in that boss 105, we mentioned 5. If you still remember that yesterday class. Yes. But in this case now, we are mentioning only 4. To this particular course, it falls under 4 principles. The principle of planning. Every organization must plan. Every management must plan in order to be able to manage well. Every manager must plan in order to be able to display their work perfectly. They must organize things, they must lead, and they must control. Now, the scope of management. The scope of management. Management is applicable to both business and non-business organizations alike. We've done that yesterday. But in that yesterday's course, we used the word profit-making and non-profit making. You understand? Where we're talking about motherless babies home and the rest like that. So, non-business organizations alike, such as banks, factories, hospitals, as well as churches, mosques, orphanages, etc. Now, these and many more, including one's personal affairs, need to be managed. It means everything we've mentioned here, whether banks, hospital, church, or orphanage home, and even yourself as a person, you need to be managed. I made mention of that too under that personal management. I made mention of your wardrobe yesterday as an example. That if you refuse to manage your wardrobe for 2 years, the clothes there will start decaying. You start rotting. They will start like just wear. You wear this one today, throw it inside the wardrobe. No washing, no management, no arranging, no ironing, nothing. Before you know, everything is.
Or if you have a shop and you don't go there often.
Mentioned that yesterday too. So
yes,
those are very vital things you should remember. Now, the purpose of management. Why must we manage? We mentioned it yesterday in boss 105, but let's see what this one too is having for us. In fact, when you are doing ENT101 and boss 105, most of the answers are going to be, colliding. Almost the same questions that you've seen. So the basic purpose of any form of management in organization is to achieve corporate set goals and objectives. Just know that, you see, there may be many purposes for having management in an organization. But just know that the base, the primary, in case you are asked what is the primary purpose of management in an organization, the primary purpose is to achieve the goals and objectives of that organization in an efficient and effective manner. So the achievement of goals and objectives in an efficient and effective manner is the goal of management, or the purpose of management. Please don't forget. I ask you that
We say that the purpose. You say that purpose of management is to achieve corporate set goals and objectives in this effective and efficient manner. That's the purpose of management.
yes.
Okay.
Now we'll go to who is the manager, which you already known yesterday, but it's not bad if we go to it again here. You already know who a manager is. Among other things, a manager is one who has the responsibility to plan, organize, lead, and control. This question in exam used to say, dash is one who has the responsibility to plan, organize, lead, and control. Just make sure you know how to spell manager very well. In this your 100 level first semester, know how to spell manager, management, managers, and managing. Because it's obvious that most of the answers you have to be choosing or typing will be manager or management, so something like that. So since we say that the purpose of management is planning, sorry, not purpose, the principles of management. Since we say we have 4 of them here in this ENT101, we say they are what? Planning, organizing, leading, and controlling. Do you still remember them? So if we say that those are the principles of management, it means a manager is someone who does all of those principles. That is the meaning of this first definition that we are saying here. That a manager is responsible to plan, organize, lead, and control. Those are the 4 principles of management as highlighted in this course.